Hi everyone. Now see in our second practical SCR control rectifier, silicon controlled rectifier by using the controlled rectifier. Okay. Now see in this experiment is designed or complete in a successfully in our laboratory. Okay. Now start in our experiment circuit diagram design. Okay, in our laboratory. See, this is the circuit diagram or circuit connection of our experiment in a silicon control rectifier. Here in this is chassis of our experiment. In the chassis connected circuit diagram is already okay in our chassis, but this circuit connection or circuit diagram is not used as it is in our practical time. So this circuit diagram of circuit connections is newly designed, okay, by using this as per circuit diagram. Here see, firstly check out the circuit connection of our circuit as per circuit diagram. Here is connected to SCR. See this is the SCR1 and SCR2. Okay, you know that the SCR is a 3-terminal device. Okay, here this see, in this way SCR is 3-terminal device. In right to left side we have count the terminals is a cathode, anode and gate. See, in this way flat shape is the okay, and this is the second silicon control rectifier, same that of the first silicon control rectifier, which are connected in a 3 terminals. See the cathode, anode and gate. Okay, as per circuit diagram, here in a cathode terminals of both SCR which are connected in a common. Okay, see here first SCR's cathode terminal and second SCR's cathode terminal, both cathode terminals are connected in a commonly by using this cable. Then this SCR's anode terminal, okay, see center terminal is the anode terminal, which are connected in a transformer in a primary and here connected secondary wire, okay, in a anode, both anode terminals. Then gate terminal of SCR, here in a gate terminal of SCR connected 1 kilo resistor, okay, 1 kilo ohm resistors. Both resistors are connected in a parallelly and here connected in a common in this way. Okay, see in our circuit diagram, in a 1 kilo ohm resistors which are connected in a common, and here here connect the current meter. Okay, in by using the current meter we have observed the gate current Ig. Okay, then see these current meters negative terminal connected in a common two resistors. Here see the point, and positive terminal of current meter which are connected in a 10K pot. Here used a 10K pot. In 10K pots we have 3 terminals in a positive, negative and variable. Okay, see this is the negative terminal, center is the variable terminal, this is the positive terminal. See here in a current meter, positive terminal which are connected in a variable, that means the second center terminal, and here in a positive terminal connected TPSU here 1 to 30 volt, that means the here connected power supply, one power supply, and this power supply is set to the 10 to 11 voltage. Okay, then here both SCR's cathode terminal which are connected in a common here, and this common terminal here connected 1 kilo ohm resistor to ground terminal. Okay, see in this way, and across this resistor we have observed the RL voltage, that means the load voltage as a load resistance. Okay, that is the output voltage. Okay, so this is the circuit connection as per circuit diagram. Okay, here apply the power supply here in a pot 10k pot in positive terminal, apply the power supply. This power supply is set to the 10 to 11 voltage, and then observe the gate current. See here, gate current means the here connected in a pot variable terminal, and where the two resistors are connected common, so this current is observed, and observe the across the load resistor, that is the VRL. Okay, and here by using this pot, here vary the gate current. Okay, and then observe the लोड व्होल्टेज अक्रॉस दी लोड रेजिस्टर. ओके, जेव्हा आपण इथं करंट काय करणार आहोत, व्हॅरी करणार आहोत. ओके, गेट करंट. ओके, तो गेट करंट व्हॅरी केल्यानंतर रेजिस्टरच्या अक्रॉसचं व्होल्टेज हे काय होणार आहे, चेंज होणार आहे. ओके, मग ते आपण काय करणार आहोत, ऑब्झर्व करणार आहोत. दॅट मीन्स द ऑब्झर्वेशन टेबल फर्स्ट. इन आवर एक्सपेरिमेंट two observations are here. Observe. First is the observation table. First part is the gate current and load voltage. Okay, here in first observation, gate current IG are observed, and load voltage VRL are observed. Okay, so here connected gate current meter and voltmeter. Okay, see. Current meter which are connected, here used 0 to 10 millimeter, that means the current meter. Okay, which are connected, negative terminal which are connected as per circuit diagram here. Negative terminal which are connected in a two resistors, 1k resistor. हे दोन्ही रेजिस्टर दोन्ही एसएरच्या गेट पासून आलेले आहेत बघा, जिथं कॉमन केलेत. सी इन आवर चॅसी, हिअर सी दोन रेजिस्टर जिथं कॉमन केले तिथं निगेटिव्ह टर्मिनल आपण कनेक्ट करणार आहोत. अँड पॉझिटिव्ह टर्मिनल विच आर कनेक्टेड इन अ पॉट व्हॅरिएबल टर्मिनल, दॅट मीन्स द सेंटर. जो सेंटर टर्मिनल असेल तो व्हॅरिएबल टर्मिनल. इन दिस वे. ओके, करंट मीटर आर कनेक्टेड. देन ऑब्झर्व दी लोड रेजिस्टन्स व्होल्टेज बाय युझिंग दिस multimeter. Okay, and this multimeter is set to the 20 volt in a DC volt. See, in this way. Okay, and it's connected in our circuit. See here, in a load resistor, across the load resistor. See here, connected load resistor, across the load resistor connected multimeter by observe the voltage. Okay, and then power supply here used in a TPSU 1 to 30 volt. So here power supply are used, and this power supply's positive terminal is connected in a pot, positive 10k pot positive terminal. See here, 10k चा जो positive terminal असेल, ओके, तिथं कनेक्ट करणार. and black cable, that means the ground, which are connected in a ground. Ground is the here load resistor are connected. Okay, ground in this way. Okay, connection are complete here. Okay, see, in this way connection are here complete. Here used one power supply, that is the TPSU. Okay, see here power supply is on. Okay, here set the power supply is a 11 volt in this way. Okay, by vary the pot. Okay, see, in this way. So here see the current meter is current, and voltage is observed on this multimeter. Vary the pot here, 1k pot. See, in our chassis 1k pot which are vary here, smoothly vary. So current in current meter. Okay, which are the vary as well as the voltage are vary. See, observe. मी काय करते, पॉट हा व्हॅरी करून दाखवते तुम्हाला. अशा प्रकारे आपण रीडिंग घेणार आहोत. व्हॅरी द current as well as the voltage. Vary the 1K pot. Okay, in this way we have observed the gate current and load voltage. Okay, here firstly I have set 0.4 in current. See, in this way set the 0.4 current and observe the load voltage is 0.48 and note down in our observation table. Okay, see here in first serial number current is the 0.4 and voltage is observed on a 0.48. Okay, see, vary the knob and set the current. Gate current is the 0.8. Okay, in this way 0.8 and voltage is the 1.11. Okay, then again vary the knob. See, in this way set the 1.2 in current. Okay, 1.2 is the current. Note down here 1.2 and voltage is the 1.51. In this way 10 to 11 readings are observed in a gate current. Vary the gate current and observe the load voltage phi RL. Okay, see the observation in this way. The gate currents are vary by using the this pot. Okay, we observe the current as well as the load voltage across the load resistor. Okay, see, in this way the first part gate current and load voltage are here completed. Okay, we have successfully observed in a first part. Okay, I think got it all of you. This first part of our experiment is a SCR controlled rectifier. Okay, no doubt anyone. Okay, stop here and thank you all of you.